kids, I'm Miss Martha, your kindergarten teacher. In these videos, I would like to tell you about beginning sounds. What is the beginning sounds? There is the first letter sound that you hear. First letter sound that you hear. We already learned about letter sound S, A, E, P, Now, let's start our word with the beginning sounds. Ant. What is the beginning sound? What is the first sound that you hear? Ant. Are you all saying letter sound A? Yeah, ant. The beginning sound is A. Next, listen carefully. 10. What is the beginning sound of 10? 10. Are you all saying T? Very good. You are so clever. Next, sun. Can you guess it? Yeah, sun. Very good, Rainbow Kids.
Hello kids. Now let's do this task together. Please find this paper. Look at this. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, there is an ant. What is the sound that you hear the verse? Ant. Yeah, there is letter sound A. Let's put letter sound A. Ant. Now, do you know what picture is this? There is a net. What letter sound that you hear the first? Net. Very good. Letter sound N. Let's rewrite letter sound N. Net. Good job. Now, please look at this picture. What picture is it? Pig. What is the sound that you hear in the verse? Pig. Letter sound P. Pig. Peak. Good job. Wow, what number is this? Yeah, there is number 10. What is the first sound that you hear on 10? Very good. Let's put letter sound T on it. Yes, 10. Good job. Wow, what picture is this? There is a sun. Sun. What is the first sound that you hear on sun? Sun. Letter sound. S. Yeah, great job. Let's rewrite letter sound. Sun. Ooh, what picture is this? Yeah, there is a pin. 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 Let's rewrite the first sound that we hear. Pin. Pin. Can you guess it? Pin. Yeah, letter sound. P. Alright. Let's we read together. A, n, t. Ant. N, a, t. Net. P, I, g. Pig. T, a, n. Tan. S, a, n. Sun. P, I, n. Pin. Very good. Thank you, Rainbow Kids.
Well done, Rainbow Kids. Well done. You did so very good. Thank you for watching me. I'll see you again, Rainbow Kids. Bye.